welcome to the chapter How Long Is This? This slide presents the overview of the chapter. Learning objectives. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to calculate the length of any object and its measuring unit, estimate the lengths and then find their original length, differentiate between centimeter and inches, categorize shorter and longer lengths and find their measuring length. Let us see the introduction on how long is this. In this chapter, we are going to find the lengths of objects. Let us know how to find the length of an object using the centimeter scale. Before finding the length, let us know what is length. It is the dimensional distance of an object. Length can be measured in centimeters or meters. Let us perform a lab activity on measuring length using the centimeter scale. Click each tab to know more. Objective. The main objective is to find the length of the needle using centimeter scale. The following materials are required: needle, centimeter scale, pencil, white paper. Take a needle and place it on a white paper. Now, take a centimeter scale. Put it parallel to the needle as shown. Observe the length of the needle using a centimeter scale and mark the length on the paper using pencil. In this activity, we observe that the length of the needle is measured using a scale and its length is 22.5 centimeters as shown on the screen. Let us see an example of measuring length. Find the length of a pen using a centimeter scale. Let us find the length of the pen. Now, let us take a scale and place it parallel to the pen. As we can see, the measuring length of the pen is 14.8 centimeters. Therefore, the length of pen is equal to 14.8 centimeters. Using a centimeter scale, find the length of a key. Let us find the length of the key. Now, let us take a scale and place it parallel to the key. As we can see, the measuring length of the key is 6.7 centimeters. Therefore, the length of key is equal to 6.7 centimeters. Now, let's listen to the conversation between two friends on how to estimate and measure actual length. Hi Trisha. Hi Sonia. Where are you coming from? I'm coming from the accessories shop. Oh, what did you buy? I bought a ribbon. It looks too small. Does it fit your hair? My ribbon is 10 centimeters long. No way. It's just 6 centimeters. I can estimate it. No, you are wrong. Okay, then let's find it by measuring. How? I don't know how to measure. Don't worry, I have a scale. We can measure with it. Oh, then bring it. Here it is. Oh, it looks good. Let's start measuring now. Look, we both are wrong. The exact length is 9.2 centimeters. Oh, it's close to 10 centimeters. Now, let us perform an activity on the difference between estimates and actual lengths. Observe the table and answer the following. Let us know how to find the shortest route. The dog sees the bone and is eager to grab it. It has 4 different routes to reach the bone. Let us find which is the shortest route for the dog to reach the bone. If we observe routes A, B and D, these are longer routes compared to route C. So, route C is the shortest route among all the 4 routes. Can we find any other shortest route which makes it easy for the dog to reach the bone? Yes, we can. If we look at route E, that is the shortest of all the routes. Hello children. In this section, we will know how to measure the height. Height is measured with a measuring tape. On the measuring tape, on one side, we have centimeters and on the other, we have inches. Centimeters and inches are the measuring units of height. From the measuring tape, we come to know that 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. Let us perform an activity to calculate height in centimeters and inches. Convert the given inches in centimeters and vice versa. Let us discuss the shorter lengths and longer lengths. In the previous chapter, we have learned how to measure the lengths of objects using centimeters. In this, we are going to find the different lengths of objects which may vary in size, such as duster and basketball hoop. If we observe the duster, it is small in size and so we can measure it using the scale as shown. The measuring unit of duster is 12.2 centimeters. If we observe the basketball hoop, it looks huge and we know it cannot be measured with the scale as it is small in size. So, we use a measuring tape or meter tape to measure longer lengths. 100 centimeters make 1 meter. The length of basketball hoop is 3.04 meters or 304 centimeters. Let us perform an activity to find the length in meters. Estimate whether the lengths of the following objects are less than or greater than 1 meter by clicking on it. Let us solve some exercise problems. Click Solution button for your reference. Let us perform an activity on meters and centimeters. The Olympic Games were held in London. The details below are the women who got gold, silver and bronze medals in discus throw. Observe the following table and answer the following questions. Let us see some exercise problems. Click Solution button for your reference. Summary. Let us recap the highlights of this chapter. Length is the dimensional distance of an object. Length can be measured in centimeters and meters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Height can be calculated in centimeters and inches. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. Shorter and longer lengths can be measured using a meter scale and a measuring tape respectively. Practice zone. Try to solve the questions on your own. Click Solution to verify your answer. Follow-up work. Name 5 things whose measure is less than 1 meter. What is the length of your kitchen? Name 3 things whose measure is more than 1 meter. Measure the height of 3 of your friends in centimeters and inches using a scale or a measuring tape and write in the table given below. Test your understanding of the chapter by taking the mock unit test. You have successfully completed the chapter How Long Is This?